Hi, today in front of me Galaxy M14 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and now in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard tap on the switcher, click to OK twice and go back. Tap to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now just let's check the new keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.